In this video, I will show you how to download Wi-Fi transfer on your smart TV. Like us subscribe to YouTube channel if you find a video helpful. So after connecting to the internet on your smart TV and you want to download the Wi-Fi transfer, here's what you can do. If the application is not in your App Store in that Google Play Store, then we are going to use an intermediate application called Downloader. So Downloader is a very useful application for smart TV users. If you don't have Downloader on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you get Downloader. So what Downloader does is that it helps you search for files from across the internet and you can get these files to your smart TV. In this case, we're looking for Wi-Fi file transfer. So in this case, you can type in this keyword Wi-Fi file transfer or Wi-Fi file transfer APK or something specific like download Wi-Fi file transfer. After searching in that, you are going to click on go. And as you can see here are the various results that downloader gives us. And you can go through all of them to see which one is going to work for you or which one is okay. So this one can work. And just scroll down to see other options. Here's another option. There are many. Alright, if you have all the time, check all the options that are available. But for the sake of time, we're just going to go ahead and look into this. So to click on this, it's going to bring us to a web page of Play Store. And as you can see, here is it. And if you want to install the application, just click on install. And the application will be installed straight away to your Android TV or smart TV.